welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today, outside on the really small patio, holy moly, on the Pit Boss Austin XL1000 pellet grill, we're gonna be smoking a chuck roast, and then Babe is gonna be turning it into amazing French dip sandwiches.
I'm super excited.
Yeah, Babe, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients right now, and I'm gonna leak the secret of your secret ingredient.
My glasses are fogging up. I'm so excited.
Wow. All right, so come along. We're going to be smoking a chuck roast. I'll tell you how we season it up. I'll tell you how we put it on the pellet grill, cook it, wrap it, slice it. Babe's going to make amazing sandwiches. It's a really simple recipe, but it's really so good. We make these a lot, and it's good. All right, and here we go. So today's ingredients, obviously, you're going to need some hoagie rolls. Babe's going old school today with a packet of au jus sauce and beef broth. Make a little au jus. You got to get yourself some type of meat. We're going to be using a chuck roast today, a couple pounds. And then we're going to season it up with Cosmos, SPG, Texas beef, and cow cover. We do 3 little coats of each. Obviously, we're going to melt some provolone on these French dip sandwiches. And then Babe's secret ingredient on these, cream cheese. It's actually, when I first tried it, it was a little creepy, but it's really good. So these are our ingredients for today's cook. When we've done briskets and stuff like that, we've used these 3 rubs in conjunction with each other, and it's really good, and it's actually not overpowering whatsoever. So we just do a little coat of each one, and again, you're gonna have the au jus and the cheese and everything like that. SPG, Texas beef, and a little cow cover. Pat that in, flip it around, do the other side, and we'll just let that sweat in for a little bit. We'll go outside and we'll get our Pit Boss pellet grill all warmed up. Boom! We're gonna be using, and we're loving it so far, the Pit Boss Austin XL1000 pellet smoker. We're gonna set it at approximately 250 degrees for this cook. And look, there's so much room for activities on this thing. We're loving it. It's super easy, very convenient to cook 7 days a week outside here on the patio. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna smoke this chuck roast at 250 degrees, like I said, and we're gonna bring up the internal temperature approximately 205-ish. We're gonna kind of cook this chuck roast like we would a brisket. And we've done videos like that before. I'll link one up above here. Fantastic. And then Babe's gonna do her magic inside to make the most amazing French dip sandwiches. All right, so come on, let's show you how it's done. It's gonna be epic, and it's gonna be some good eats. Okay, it's been 1 hour, and let's check some temps. It's going quick. This is a tiny chuck roast, so. All right, we're gonna keep rolling.
So it's been 2.5 hours, and we are at 250 degrees still. We decided that we're not gonna wrap it.
You gotta get it deep in there, babe. Get some probe. Get some probeness. Okay. So we're going no wrap this time. Look at how juicy it is.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So we're coming along 2.5 hours. Okay, we're gonna keep rolling until we're like 205, and then we're gonna pull it and let it rest. 2.5 hours in.
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
It's been 5.5 hours. Our internal temp is 205. We did not wrap it. We've had it going at 250 for the whole time. So now it's time to pull it off. We're going to put it on our board. We're gonna tent it, and we're gonna let it rest for about 45 minutes. Oh boy, babe.
It's definitely shrunk up.
Oh, it shrunk a lot, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, how good does that smell?
Delish.
Oh boy. This
so
is gonna
excited.
be mega epic French dip sandwiches.
Yeah, these are gonna be pretty darn good.
Babe's heated glove hand.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, baby. And then we're gonna make some epic French dip Sammys. Rest for about 45 minutes, just lightly tinted with foil. And now the magic is about to happen.
And now you're about to make magic.
Now we're gonna make magic. So I'm gonna slice this up in really small, in really thin pieces.
Against the grain.
Against the grain. I'm going to make my au jus. I have my little packet of au jus, but you can also make your own. I make my own all the time with just like a beef consomme and then water, or beef broth and a little bit of baking soda, not baking soda, a little bit of
cornstarch.
Cornstarch, sorry, to thicken it up. So, anyways, many things you can do. I'm doing it the easy way. I'm very excited. Am I doing it the right way?
Oh yeah, babe. French dips are really good. Especially with like hot melted provolone cheese.
And cream cheese. Wait until you try it with cream cheese.
Wait until everybody sees all the dishes in the sink afterwards and they're like, oh my goodness gracious.
So good. And what I like to do with my French dips.
You should show, because it's a pellet grill and we, did it at 250 for so long. The smoke ring. A lot of people are really interested in the smoke ring.
Oh yeah, smoke ring is fantastico.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
you're just grubbing.
I'm hungry. I like to take mine, and I will put this in the au jus to kind of get a little bit of this.
Yeah.
And the au jus, too.
Oh, now your phone! What type of video are we having here, babe?
Sorry.
Looks great.
So, I have my water, 3 cups of water, my pack of au jus. Before I turn it on to heat it up, I'm going to dump this in. So I'll get this made, and then I like to add just a little bit of my own. So I'll add some beef broth in, just to make it a little bit thicker, a little bit better. I don't know. I always got to add something of my own. Make it a little more beefy.
Beefy spicy?
A little more flavor, yeah. So we're going to bring this to a boil. We have our bread almost toasted, and then we're going to build this sandwich.
What was actually even more fun was those little baguettes were fresh made at the bakery today.
Oh, yeah.
So you toasted those, and then you put the cream cheese, and then you're melting the provolone. Then you're doing the little au jus packet, which is kind of cheating. But, I mean, the chuck roast smoked and everything like that, I think that it's going to be really good.
And I like to over toast slightly because the bread does get wet. So you still have a crunch. Oh, boy. This is going to be so good. Yeah, babe, what do you think?
Oh, I think it's going to be fantastic.
I started making these a while ago with our leftover meat and steak, and you have seemed to take a liking to them.
But it's really easy now that we have the Pit Boss pellet grill that you can just, bust that out in 5 hours. So.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty quick. Okay. What do you think, babe?
Oh, yes.
Are you ready for a little bitey bite?
I'm ready. First, we have to roll our top tier channel members. Thank you. Thank you. All the channel members. Literally everybody that's taken the time to hit the little join button next to the subscribe button. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that. That's amazing. Oh,
Delicious.
hold on. I got to show the folks. Look at that. Hold on. Let me show the...
Oh. You're just wrecking your sandwich.
No, not wrecking it. No, not at all. Actually, I got to put it in the juice.
Yeah.
Well, I can't show the folks that, but it is...
Steaming.
It is steaming. Look, I mean, it is.
Okay.
No, I'm getting... What? You went crazy without me!
I'm ready. I can't wait any longer. Cream cheese just takes it to the next level. It's so good. My favorite sandwich on earth is a French dip. It is the best.
That is good, babe.
It's so good.
That little pellet grill, actually it's not little, that big pellet grill is amazing.
It does the job right.
Man.
And easy.
We appreciate you guys watching. Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's pretty good. Pretty happy.
All right. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
What's your thoughts on the cream cheese?
Yeah, that cream cheese just pops in your mouth.
It pops in your mouth?
It explodes.
In your mouth?
In my mouth.
Exploding in your mouth. Mm-hmm. Good job, babe.